happening in the manufacturing industry. To improve manufacturing efficiency and quality, digital technologies are being integrated into processes and products. Ditch silos and manual processes and grow to the level of Factory 4.0. With a dependable, resilient innovation machine, you can solve problems faster. Connect IT and operations without compromising security. With an efficient, intelligent approach to preventive maintenance, you can automate repetitive tasks and get more out of your plant. Identify and resolve problems before they become a source of downtime. Servitization, the development of new service lines to complement a company's core product offerings, is one of the most promising trends for manufacturers. Offering maintenance and management support for their product as well as data management and consulting are all possibilities. ServiceNow's digital workflows help manufacturers enhance profitability and productivity. By automating repetitive manual tasks, manufacturers can better manage their workforce and assets, saving time and improving margins. Digital workflows can combine with IoT data to reinvent how maintenance is managed, improving overall equipment effectiveness and minimizing downtime. ServiceNow enables manufacturers to better manage customers and supplier relationships and create a direct feedback loop to improve their product and processes by combining digital workflows into a single platform. In the end, it allows manufacturers to be more responsive to changing conditions, increasing customer loyalty, improving core business performance, and opening up new revenue streams. The security operations and governance risk and compliance tools from ServiceNow provide a holistic view of the enterprise. This enables manufacturers to anticipate and respond to threats more effectively. They can also use the platform to automate threat response, allowing them to move faster and more effectively. With the right platform and infrastructure to power their digital transformation, ServiceNow gives businesses the ability to seize the potential of smart manufacturing revolution. Allow us to assist you in growing and transforming your organization. Book a consultation and follow our social media pages today to know more about DX and ServiceNow.